leadership. Alam naman ng national government by El Nino, kahit saan kami pumunta sa mga lugar na tinamaan ng El Nino, gutom ang mga farmers. Alam niyo naman na mayroong radical groups in the country that want radical change. So pagka kinalagit niya yung mga gutom, o mag-rally tayo, yung mga gutom, hindi naman ideology yung tinitignan eh. Pagkain. So yun yung sinasabing failure of leadership. Bakit sinabi ng gobyerno, 30-40 billion ang inanda nila para sa El Nino, at ngayon gutom ang farmers? Kidapawan is only one area. Expect this from other areas in Mindanao unless Malacanang speaks up and the Department of Agriculture speaks up. Yung bigas na papunta doon ngayon, donations yan. I don't know kung sino nag-aaral, sino hindi. Pero ordinaryong tao naglalagay sa City Hall kasi may mga taga-Taguig nagtanong magpapadala din. Meron lang daw places in Davao na pwede mo iba yung pera or bigas, ipapadala sa farmers. So again, where is the leadership of Malacanang? Ang issue dito hindi lang yung barilan. Ang issue dito hindi lang yung pagharang ng highway. Ang issue dito, gutom ang mga tao, where will the food come from?
No, it's about time to really talk sense. Alam mo, itong gobyerno, and even si Gore from the United States, would just arrive here suddenly. Ito namang mga local NGOs, di naman lahat, pero nagpapadala kayo din yung sponsor seminars dito, climate change, climate change, climate change. Look guys, if I may just educate you, El Nino is here already. Dumating yan about 3 years ago. Every time El Nino comes, we become arid. It's dry. There's no moisture. Matagal na ang El Nino pumasok dito. It's not. And if I may also educate you further, yung climate change is indivisible. Whether the Philippines contribute 0.0 o palagay mo natin 1, yan ang it's indivisible. China is contributing maybe 50. America is contributing about 25. The European countries are highly industrialized. Russia, yun yung nagpapausok for every half a kilometer may factory sila. Pilipinas, wala tayo yan, an agricultural country. If you can see yung factories, it's in Metro Manila. That is why that place is already not habitable in the years to come. Kanal, wala na maga, wala na magdaanan, pati yung EDSA. It's all cluttered, ha? So, yung climate change. At pabalikan ko lang naman, I resisted the idea really, the suggestion that I intervene. Wala akong ano doon. Now remember, the strongest, ang NPA, still under the influence is Region 11. Sa ibang lugar, wala na. Cordillera, wala na. Luzon na. It's in Region 11 sa Mindanao. So yan ang nakita mo from Davao City. Hindi amin yan. Ang ibibigay din namin sa inyo, kung ibibigay, at hindi ko na ibigay sa inyo. Sabi mo, epal ako. Hindi diretso ko sa tao. Ibigay ko sa pare. Kung bibigay ang Davao City, diretso ko na sa mga pare. Pero sabihin mo na wala akong...
Sir, sorry. So, kanina po galing yung mga bigas na dumarating doon?
obviously, sa left yan. At hinihingi nila yan dyan sa mga
And then
negosyante.
they're putting kasi from the...
Yes, that's not my baby, you know. Ako, Nancy, kung magpa-epal ako, from Davao City with love, Rodrigo Duterte, the mayor. Alam mo ako, hindi ako, alam mo rin ako ganun. So, you better be careful with your mouth. Bibigwasan talaga kita. Let's check ako, pabawi na kita. Alam ng Pilipinas,
Nakarating ko lang eh.
Doris, sa kanila lahat naman niya. Hindi naman niya ikaw sinabi.
Ali, pero ikaw paborito ba? Sige, Nancy Carvajal, inquirer. Kaya sabihin mo sa kanya dandahan sa bunganga niya, hindi ako nagsalita pa. We were mulling sa sabot pa. We're mulling about extending humanitarian assistance. If I give
even a single centavo of the government money sa city, I have to ask permission from the city council.
Yeah.
We have done that. I ordered my aide to ano sila. Pero ngayon, wag na lang. Kaya just suspend it and just give it to them. Kasi bigay naman, usually bigay namin yung cheque. Kasi sa Yolanda, cheque. Tapos sabi ni Rojas, pumunta lang daw ako mag-photograph. Hoy, Rojas! Isa ka pagpuntang ina ng Torpica. Wala ako, I resisted every request on alam ninyo yan. Nandun, actually. Hindi talaga ako nagpa-interview kasi alam ko ang repercussion. Alam mo bakit lala mataas masyado kaming mga Bisaya. Ang hilas na mo, nangpupurnihan kami. Nagpupurnihan kami ang hambog kayo, katay mo pangalan. Yes! So tabang review ko. Kilalanin niyo ako, kailan pa ako ng ganun.
Mayor, bakit sa mga Garcia ka lang sa ano, mo sila itutuloy?
Sa,
Ang mga Garcia, kung iin mo naman silang
wala pa ako, pagaling paghibaw na ako.
iin mo silang ituloy.
Sa ba ito, boy? Wala. Proklamar. Ito ba ito, boy?
Mayor,
Pinayaw dito.
may lumalabas dun sa mga balita na yung anak niyo po si Vice Mayor Paulo sa akin yung support po si Senator Chief.
Correct.
Sa kay
Correct. I'm sorry, but I cannot control my son. He's already the vice mayor. But you know, I could only say this. I would tell the people of Davao, do not follow him, follow me.
Did he consult?
Saan ba kayo susunod? Sa vice mayor o sa presidente? I am supporting 100% at another 0.01. Ay tanong ako. Hindi ako, pagkatao ko, hindi ako kayo ng mga epal, pabaliktad.
I love all the Duterte. No? Si Baste, we're campaigning with all over. Si Vice Mayor entertained ni Araw ng Davao last year, Mayor. Last year. Of course, si Mayor Inday. Now, marami kaming senador Maraming may project sa Davao. So kung si Senator Cheese touch the heart or touch a chord with the Vice Mayor, I respect that. I mean, normal lang yan. Mas gusto ko na isang pamilya na may kanya-kanyang opinion. But I have faith that ang mga Davaoenos will look at the endorsement of Mayor Duterte. But there's no hard feeling whatsoever.
Nainahatag, pero napiday ko yung project si Cheese on the request of Puno. So I can understand. He's the vice mayor, he's of age. But talking of leadership, I will tell the Davao people to follow me.
You will
It's
not
just
even
my
try?
creation.
You will not
I
even
am the
try to-
creator.
You will not even try to court him to your side?
Wala na. I would answer that for Alan. Mismo, alam niya, ang tatay niya na ano, kailangan. So,
Kasabaan ni mo, Mayor.
apparently he has crossed the bridge of Rubicon.
Oh,
Mayor.
that's a very
He has
strong
crossed the bridge
statement.
already.
Did you talk to
No,
him?
I
or
don't.
Kasabaan ni mo siya?
Wala. Aba ko yun ay. Kung binigay yung project, sa suwabil na ang nalapitan niya. But I tell you the real reason pagkatapos. Off the record is off the record. Pero maya na pagkatapos, patayin niyo muna yung mga ilaw.
One thing the mayor taught me from the start of the campaign, number one, yung gusto tumulong sa'yo, tanggapin mo. Yung ayaw tumulong sa'yo, respetuhin mo. Number two, don't change who you are. Businessmen, interest groups, maraming na-offer ngayon dahil pataas ng pataas si Mayor. Ako, although may challenge, but you know, I'm close to him. But ang instructions ni Mayor, do not change who we are. So regardless who supports or do not support us, ang plataforma namin, peace and order, fix the government, federalism. So sa tumulong, thank you very much. Sa hindi, we will still give you 100% public service.
I hope that you'd vote for the best man. Nasa sa inyo ho, yan. That is your right.